Good morning, people! Here's my first attempt ng pansit. Tadan! Ayan, guys. Charap, charap. Charap, charap, charap. Ayan. Medyo madilim-dilim yung ilaw ng aking small kusina. But never mind. Doesn't matter. Ayan. Ayan po ang aking pansit. Pansit gisado. Ayan, guys. Simple. Simple but may shadow ang aking. Ayan. Ayan, guys. At saka may mango pickle. Portuguese style. Ayan. May telephone number pa. Ayan, guys. Ito ang aking small kitchen. Ayan.